Okie dokie. In this problem, they say you have $280 to spend on subs and sodas. Each sub costs this much. Each soda costs 90 cents. Which of the following graphs represents the linear relationship between the number of subs and soda bottles that can be purchased? Okay, so we want to play two different scenarios here. First scenario, we have $280, and let's imagine we are not buying any sodas. So the number of bottles of soda is 0, so 0 bottles. The question is, if we're buying no soda, how many subs can we buy with $280? Well, if we have $280 and each sub costs $2.50, 280 divided by 250 will tell us the number of subs we will get. Okay, so let's calculate that. 280 divided by 2.5.
It's 112.
All right. So if we are buying 0 bottles of soda, we can buy 112 subs. That's pretty good. Now, let's do the other scenario. Imagine we are buying 0 subs, and we're only buying sodas with $280. So we take 280 and divide it by the cost of soda, which is 90 cents. 280 divided by 0.9.
It's approximately 311.1111.
All right, so about 311 sodas. So let me move some things around here, kind of getting in the way. All right. So 311 bottles of soda. Okay, so what this is giving us is basically the x and y intercepts of the correct graph we should be looking for. So the subs intercept is 112. The bottles intercept should be 311. Okay, so 112 subs, that's looking good. That's not looking good. That's like 300. No, that's looking all right. All right, so now 311 bottles. Looks like the intercept on the bottles here is like 250, so I'm not feeling that. But maybe this one, a little over 300, that checks out. So I'm going to go with option C because it had the 2 correct intercepts on the bottles and subs axes. Hope that makes sense. Let's try one more. Let's do it a little bit faster. 110 divided by 2 and then 110 divided by 0.7, okay? So 110 divided by 2 and then 110 divided by 0.7. 110 divided by 2.
It's 55.
Yep. And that's the number of subs because each sub was $2. And then 110 divided by 0.7.
The answer is approximately 157.1428.
All right, so that's the number of soda bottles that we could buy if we're buying 0 subs. So these should be our axes on the subs and bottles axes, or these should be our intercepts, I suppose. C's looking pretty good again, about 157 and then 55. Okay, subs, nope, that's looking good, but then the amount of bottles just isn't high enough, so I'm going to go with C again. We break out the eraser to see that C is our answer. So that's kind of the method and approach for this one. Hope that makes some sense. It's not too bad. If you have any questions, though, let me know.